So my presentation is expertise-based institutional collaboration recommendation in different thematic areas. This work is a part of Department of Science and Technology project headed by Professor Vivek Kumar Singh. Other team member is Abhirup Nandi. So institutional collaboration, as we all know, funding is one of the major fuels for research activities. But in the last 2 decades, these funding agencies, in funding patterns, a paradigm shift is witnessed. That is a shift from trust-based funding to performance-based funding. So this forced these funding agencies to adopt sharp performance assessment measures, and at the same time, institutions are forced to adopt mechanisms to keep their performance steadily upright. So one of the known ways to enhance the institutional performance is collaboration. So institutions are going after it. And our main focus of study is that institutions, be it an academic institution, be it an industry, anything is strong in some thematic areas and weak in many more other areas. Even within a discipline, this can happen. So there lies the importance of this expertise-based recommendation for institutional collaboration. So major works on institutional collaboration in academia is, as we all know, institutional collaboration in academia or recommendation systems in academia is mainly focused on these authors and mainly based on these co-authorship networks, co-authorship evolution patterns, etc. In the context of institutional collaboration, major works were concentrated mainly on study of evolution of pattern of co-institution networks, then mapping of most collaborative institutions, etc. When it comes to recommendation system based on institutional expertise or institutional collaboration, it is mostly unexplored. So this is our main objective, to develop a collaboration recommendation system. So for that, we also consider the uniqueness of our system is that we are doing it based on the expertise of institutions. So we need a method to determine the expertise of institution, that is to identify strong areas, weak areas, etc. Then for a weak thematic area of institution means where an institution is not that strong enough, some other strong institutions can be recommended. Something like a complementary action. So our proposed system have 2 sections. First one is expertise determination section, then recommendation retrieval section. So this is our schematic diagram. So first of all, the first process is data collection from major database like Web of Science. You can also use Corpus or any other thing. We have used Web of Science. So for expertise, after this data collection, we have to map these publications to thematic areas. As a starting point, we have used keywords as to designate thematic areas, because effectiveness of keywords for investigating knowledge structure within a field was studied by this reference 21. So as a starting point, we map each publication to the keywords associated with it. Then following a contextual productivity assessment framework which was co-authored by me, we can compute the thematic strengths of institution. So in that framework, we first create affiliation network, means work, keyword, or the keyword affiliation network, and then we transform it into weighted affiliation network. So that method is known as injection method. Any kind of things, any kind of weights can be injected into that unweighted affiliation network. So in this work, we use this total citation as weight. Means the field tag of the Web of Science file, the field tag Z9 consists of that total citations. So by the contextual productivity framework, if we do the in-degree analysis of that work keyword network, we will get the number of publications. And if we conduct weighted in-degree analysis of that weighted network, we will get number of citations in thematic areas, which means the thematic strength. Now we have to determine the expertise of each institutions. So the H-index popular metric in bibliometrics, inspired by that, we are designing an index. It is termed as this X-index. It is defined as an institution is supposed to have an X-index value of X if it has published papers in X thematic areas and received X citations in those areas. So that number will give the a kind of core competency areas of an institution, like the H-index partition the publication profile of an actor into the H core and H tail. The X-index can partition that thematic portfolio of an institution into core competency area and not so strong areas. So the high value of X index indicates that institution has got expertise or competency in more diverse thematic areas. So this is the computation of H-index, and in the H-like fashion, this H-index can be computed using this citation rank ratio. So for that, these keywords can be sorted according to their weights, means that thematic area strength, and ranked according to their weighted in degrees. So when this rank and corresponding citation at that position is divided, when the citation at position R is divided by R, when usually at the first position it will be much high value, and when the first occurrence of these following cases occur, we can have that R as that R or R minus 1 as that X index. So now we have computed the X index and that we have the CRR information for all institutions. So now the second section is recommendation retrieval section. So suppose an institution, suppose there are n institutions, and for an arbitrary institution, if there are ki set of keywords. So for a field of study, there will be total k keywords, which means the unique number of keywords found in all institutions. So then we can construct a keyword institution matrix of size m by n, where m is the total number of keywords and n is the total number of institutions under study. So the peculiarity of this KI matrix will be all the entries will be the CRR values of institutions corresponding to thematic areas. So depending upon the presence of rows with all zeros, the matrix size can be reduced. And for an institution, suppose for an institution, the thematic areas where the CRR value is less than 1 is weak institution or weak thematic area for that institution. So an institution which is strong in that area have to be recommended to that institution. So if the keyword J is found to be having a CRR value less than 1, then the entire n-1 entries in that row J, barring that column I that represent that institution, have to be searched, and among them, the positions at which CRR values are greater than 1 can be recommended to that institution. Then the priority or order of recommendation can be based on the thematic strength of institution we already computed. So this way, our recommendation system works. And for demonstration, Indian data for the field computer science is taken, and the time period is 2010 to 2019. As I already mentioned, data is collected from Web of Science, and we applied a filter. That means institutions with a publication number greater than 25 is taken. So total 196 Indian institutions satisfied this criteria. So the first section of the framework computed X index and CRR values for each institution. And the top ranking X index institutions are Thapar Institute and IIT Kharagpur, and its X value is 115. So the second section computed unique number of keywords, which is a bit high, which is quite bit high even after elimination of uncited keywords. So for Thapar Institute, 115 is the X index, and 115 out of that total 4, 6, 5, 89 thematic areas are core competency areas, and rest are weak. So for demonstration, we just chose one weak area, which is data mining. Its CRR of that Thapar Institute in data mining is small, means 0.099. So from after the construction of the KI metrics.
Hiram, so sorry to interrupt you. Maybe there's been a misunderstanding. I'm trying to give you signs and all, but you had 7 minutes for your presentation and you're now 12 minutes in. So maybe you can round off, because it's already almost doubling the time.
Yes, ma'am. It's only just 2 or 3 slides are left. Okay, so there are 15 institutions that are recommendable to this Thapar, and 10 institutions are shown here. ISI Kolkata is the main thing. So as the design of this framework is different from other existing ones in academia, we have limitations for comparative validation of performance. Anyway, we explored whether there is an essential difference or similarity between the world rankings, means popular ranking schemes. So the priority or order of recommendations tossed by our institution, by our system, is compared against the major international rankings, QS, THE, ARW, etc. But in most of the rankings, Indian institutions are underrepresented. So that, except that Leiden. So we compared our ranking with Leiden University, and it is found to be the correlation. We use correlation, Spearman's rank correlation for comparison, and it is found to be very low. And we compared using it against a national framework of India. It is also found to be very low. So the recommendations are not obvious, and therefore our system can claim novelty. Okay. But to prove that, we have to do more analysis on more thematic areas. And another major limitation is that the dependency on other keywords. So we are working using that NLP module in a pre-processing state. So another thing is network analysis module is its full potential is not explored. Mm-hmm. So that can also be improved.
Okay.
So
thank you.
So this is all. Okay, thank you.